Welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. As we have started Sketchup Pro tutorial series, and in this lecture I am just going to show you that how we'll import a file from how we'll import a AutoCAD plan to Sketchup to transfer our that plan to 3D perfectly. So here is the AutoCAD drawing. Here you are seeing this is the AutoCAD drawing, and I have just transferred that in 3D model like that you are seeing here. So how I have created that, I will show you everything. Okay, I'll show you everything in our some next lecture, and I will complete that model. Okay, and I'll show you about that model, that how we have done that. So in this lecture I'm just going to show that how we'll import that model. Okay, how we'll import that AutoCAD plan or AutoCAD layout to SketchUp. So for that I'm just opening a AutoCAD SketchUp file. So after opening SketchUp, I'll just click here file, then I'll click here import. Okay, I'll click here import. Then from here, actually which file you want to select, from there you have to select your AutoCAD file from here. And if you see here there have anything here, just select AutoCAD file, and after that they have a file. Okay, so simply select and click here import. When you have selected, just you will see many thing here. Okay, you will see many thing here, right? So after that we'll simply click close and see here our model is here. Okay, we got our model here, and AutoCAD plan that is here. And after that, if you need to move that, you can click here and you can simply move it here like that. Okay, so in this way you are able to import file from AutoCAD to SketchUp easily. Your any file you can do that easily. So in our next lecture I'll show you that how we'll do our 3D model, okay, with SketchUp by using that file perfectly with perfect dimension. So thank you very much, and see here. So I hope that was helpful for you, and also if you think that was helpful for you, then obviously subscribe to our channel and also stay with us. And if you're a LinkedIn user, then you can connect me on LinkedIn. That link are given in description. So thank you very much.